Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a post on Instagram. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus sign, which will allow you to select photos. Choose any photo from your gallery. If you need to resize it, tap the button in the corner to adjust it. If you want to upload multiple photos, tap the Select Multiple option. But for this video, I'll stick to just one. Once you have made your selection, tap the arrow icon to proceed. Next, you will be taken to the filter screen. Here you can scroll through and pick a filter to enhance your photo. If you prefer to make manual adjustments, tap the Edit tab and tweak things like brightness, contrast, or saturation. Don't want to make any changes? No problem, just leave it as it is and tap the arrow icon again. Now it's time to personalize your post. You can add a caption to describe the photo, tag friends by tapping Tag People, and even add a location to let others know where the photo was taken. Once you have finished customizing everything, tap the checkmark icon to complete the process. And just like that, your photo will be posted. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.